Have you ever heard of RideAir or used a Mindnap? In this video, we will look at some insane gadgets you can still buy. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Interactive Workout Mat. Tired of going to the gym and not seeing the results you want? Get ready to meet your new workout buddy. This high-tech mat is the ultimate workout companion, using advanced computer vision algorithms to monitor your body's movements in 3D and provide real-time feedback on how to improve your fitness. But that's not all. This mat comes with a smart camera arm that captures every angle of your movements and lets you get the right feedback to take your workout to the next level. Plus, the interactive screen provides access to expert traders and a wealth of information to help you reach your fitness goals. Number 2. Smart Mirror. Looking for a way to take your home decor to the next level? Look no further. This great new accessory is the perfect accent piece for your walls. Perfect for entertaining guests, listening to music, or just getting ready for the day. The thin-cast smart mirror is packed with great features, including 4 integrated speakers for crystal clear sound, full touch screen control, and the ability to hide the screen to use it like a regular full-length mirror. With all these amazing features, it's no surprise that the slim cast smart mirror is becoming a must-have accessory for every home. Number 3. Portable Air Conditioner. Tired of sweaty summers? Get ready to meet the coolest gadget. This elegant and stylish air cooler changes the game with a maximum cooling effect of -0 or 170 Celsius. The best part is that it's portable and battery-powered, so you can take it with you on all your adventures, from camping trips to beach days. It cools your space in 10 minutes. It also has up to 5 hours of battery power. So whether you're camping outdoors or just trying to beat the heat at home, this portable air conditioner has all your air cooling needs. Number 4. Foldable Gimbal. Tired of shaky footage ruining your videos? Say hello to the foldable smartphone gimbal. This pocket-sized gadget is the perfect solution for fluid shots on the go. It's light, compact, and can even hold phones weighing up to 11 ounces. This handle contains a series of buttons that allow you to control the gimbal's functions and application. You can even use the buttons to control your phone via Bluetooth connectivity, and don't forget the 3 tracking modes. It's perfect for shooting in different contexts. Number 5. Pilot Era. Attention to all adventurers and travel enthusiasts. Get ready to capture all your epic moments in this all-in-one camera. You don't need another device, just grab it and start recording. And with the preview feature on the touch screen, you can be sure you've got the perfect shot before you even finish shooting. The best part is that this camera is small enough to fit in your pocket, purse, or backpack, so you can take it anywhere and capture your surroundings in stunning detail. Whether you're exploring a new city or embarking on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, the Pilot Era Compact VR camera is your best travel companion. Number 6. Folding e-bike. Hello bike lovers. Tired of carrying your electric bike everywhere you go? Fear not, because this folding e-bike is here. This bike is not only electric but also light and easy to transport. Thanks to its A380 aluminum alloy frame, you will have the portability you desire without sacrificing usability. With a removable, energy-efficient 75 mAh battery, you will be able to cover distance with a range of 30 kilometers and a top speed of 18 kilometers per hour. A padded mesh seat ensures comfort throughout your journey. The crystal clear LED display and high-performance LED headlights ensure you can see everything you need. So whether you're commuting or taking a leisurely stroll, this folding e-bike should be at the top of your list. Number 7. Smart Lock Box. Welcome to the future of key storage. This smart box stores your house and car keys, access cards, and more for easy access with the innovative Alga Pin technology. You can grab remote access without the need for users to download or use an app. Simply choose between PIN codes or Bluetooth keys to grant permanent, temporary, one-time, or recurring access. No more waiting for someone to let you in. With this smart key box, you can easily access your friends, family, and service providers. The best part is you can do it all from the comfort of your own phone. Number 8. Mindnap. Do you feel stressed and overwhelmed? Meet Mindnap, your personal meditation coach who helps you relax, breathe, and focus. Say goodbye to anxiety and hello to peace of mind with this portable meditation device. It fits in your pocket, so you can take it with you anywhere. Use it anytime. Mindnap makes meditation easy and intuitive, using vibration and visual feedback to guide your breath. Whether you want to improve your concentration, reduce stress, or sleep better, Mindnap is here to help you reach your goals. Number 9. Suntable. Welcome to the future of outdoor entertainment. You are relaxing in your backyard sunbathing, and your phone is running out of battery. What are you doing with a Suntable? You can keep your devices fully charged and keep the good times going. That's right, Suntable solar panels harness the power of the sun to easily charge your phone, tablet, speakers, and more. Say goodbye to annoying charging cables and hello to endless outdoor fun. Suntable also has built-in Bluetooth speakers with the Easy Link function. Multiple Suntables can be linked together for an even wider audio range. Number 10. Travel Iron. Hey fashionistas, tired of wrinkled collars that spoil your look? Say goodbye to pesky wrinkles with Collar Perfect, the ultimate solution for your urgent fashion needs. This compact ironing tool quickly and securely clamps onto your clothing to remove even the worst creases. Small enough to fit into tight spaces yet powerful enough to manage your entire wardrobe. In addition, Color Perfect has 5 adjustable temperature settings to safely straighten all types of fabrics, whether at home or on the go. You can now be perfectly polished and refined wherever you go. Number 11. Dual Laser Distance Meter. Get ready to revolutionize the way you measure with this laser. Say goodbye to days of kneeling or moving on the floor to get accurate measurements. With this device, you can measure in all directions and make your work faster and more efficient. But this was designed not just for work, but with your comfort in mind. Its compact design allows you to operate it with one hand, and all sides of the device are covered with rubber to protect it from impacts during operation. Not only can you measure distance, you can also take advantage of many features such as continuous measurement, Pythagorean method, length, volume, area, and more. This can switch between double-sided or single laser for all measurement tasks. So you have the best of both worlds. Number 12. Muscle Recovery. Welcome to the ultimate relaxation experience with the Home Hot Stone Therapy device. Get ready to relieve stress, relax your muscles, and sleep like a baby without leaving the comfort of your own home. This is perfect for use alone, or to share with a partner to create a romantic and relaxing atmosphere in your bedroom. With 7 hand-shaped volcanic stones that heat up to 3 different temperature settings, you can place them anywhere on your body for a truly therapeutic experience. Number 13. Lightpad Block. Ready to create music like never before? Introducing Pad Block, the ultimate tool for shaping music with tab swipe, press, and other intuitive gestures. With its tactile and pressure-sensitive surface, you'll be able to bring your creative ideas to life like never before. Whether you're a musician, producer, or just someone who loves to create, a Lightpad Block is the perfect tool to take your music to the next level. Get ready to unleash your creativity with a Pad Block. Number 14. RideAir. Hello cyclists, tired of manually inflating your bike tires? Struggling to get the right pressure? Say hello to this pressure canister, the ultimate solution for all your bicycle tire needs. With just the push of a button, you can easily inflate your tires to the perfect pressure and be back on the road in no time. This box is also perfect for mounting tubeless tires and is the best companion for your e-bike. It's portable and refillable, so you can take it with you on all your adventures. It also comes with a pressure gate, so you can make sure your tires are always at the optimum pressure for your riding. Don't let flat tires ruin your cycling experience. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.